Hello, my name is Juan Cabrera and I work as a field specialist in horticulture for MU Extension. Today, I have exciting news for you. Our team is launching the Commercial Vegetable Production webinar series. Join us if you're an established farmer, beginner farmer, or if you want to explore farming as your next business or career enterprise. Master gardeners and community garden administrators are welcome to join us as well. We want to set you up for success, and you can use this as an opportunity to learn new practices or explore other crops that you could grow. But I will leave it to Katie to give you more details about the program.
Thank you, Juan. I'm Katie Kamler, MU Extension Horticulture Specialist. So from production planning to growing sweet corn, from pest control to produce safety, from tomato production to vegetable grafting to leafy greens and all the vegetable crops in between, please join us for our commercial vegetable crop webinar series of 21 total classes. And now on to Ramon, who is going to tell us about some pest management.
Thank you, Katie. I'm Ramon Arancibia, horticulture specialist with the University of Missouri Extension, and also a speaker in this commercial vegetable production series. In this webinar series, there are several classes that will discuss fundamental topics in commercial vegetable production. Some of them will focus on familiarizing the audience with integrated pest management, which is a common sense approach to manage weeds, insects, and diseases in vegetable crops. The classes will discuss the main factors associated with pest onset and development, the importance of pest identification and diagnosis, and understand the difference between symptoms and signs, the role or importance of the life cycle in management of the causal agent, monitoring approach to determine favorable environmental conditions and or populations threshold for decision-making, and the main management strategies as integrated tools for pest control. Crop-specific management strategies will be discussed in each specific crop class. So I will let Patrick describe some specific crops classes in this commercial vegetable production series. Patrick?
Thank you, Ramon. I'm Patrick Byers, horticulture field specialist with University of Missouri Extension. In addition to the fundamental classes that Ramon described, we also have many classes that are focused on specific vegetables. And let me give you an example. We have a class coming up on allium production that will talk about onions, garlic, and leeks, as well as the niche alliums, shallots, scallions, and chives. The class will introduce information on site preparation, selecting the best cultivars, producing the crop, managing the pest and other challenges that can impact crop productivity. We'll talk about harvest and curing. We'll talk about marketing. The classes will include videos, real field examples, interviews with successful allium farmers, and research reports. Justin, let's finish this off with information on registering for the Commercial Vegetable Webinar Series.
Thanks, Patrick. I'm Justin Kay, Field Specialist in Horticulture for University of Missouri Extension. Go ahead and save the date because this course begins January 11th and ends March 22nd. We'll have 2 classes per week on Monday and Thursday from 6:30 to 8 p.m. and the classes will be recorded and available for viewing if you miss a class. We do encourage you to attend the live classes to take advantage of the question and answer sessions with all of the experts. You can register for the entire series for $150 or $25 for a single class. You can find a registration link and a contact for additional questions in the description below this video. Click the registration link to sign up and view the full schedule. We hope to see you soon.